I am delighted to share that during financial year 25-26, your bank continued its consistent profit trajectory by delivering strong profitability in all four quarters, with net profit exceeding rupees 1,000 crore in each quarter. The bank achieved its highest ever annual net profit of rupees 5,208 crore, registering an impressive year-on-year growth of 56.16%, as against rupees 3,335 crore in previous year. Notably, the bank delivered sequential growth in quarterly profits from rupees 1,111 crore in quarter 1 to rupees 1,505 crore in quarter 4, reflecting consistency, sustainability, and improving earning momentum. This remarkable performance reflects the strength of our business model, disciplined execution, prudent risk management, and the unwavering commitment of every IOBN. Going forward, the banking sector may continue to face challenges arising from margin pressures, competitive deposit mobilization, geopolitical uncertainties, and evolving regulatory dynamics. However, IOB enters financial year 26-27 from a position of exceptional strength with robust capital, superior asset quality, healthy profitability, a strong liability franchise, diversified growth engines, digital capabilities, and a highly committed, skilled workforce. With our strategic focus on granular deposit mobilization, RAM-led credit growth, digital transformation, operational efficiency, customer centricity, and prudent risk management, I am confident that your bank is well positioned to sustain its growth momentum and create long-term value for all the stakeholders. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, Reserve Bank of India, regulatory authorities in India and abroad, and other government agencies for their continued guidance and support. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our chairman, members of the board, valued customers, shareholders, and all IOBNs for their trust, dedication, and the relentless efforts in taking brand IOB to greater heights. Together, we shall continue our journey towards building a stronger, sustainable, and future-ready Indian Overseas Bank committed to excellence and nation building. Thank you.